Hey everybody, welcome back to my Python 3 for Beginners tutorial series. This video may be the coolest one yet. In this video I'm going to teach you how to download an image from the web using Python code. Now the image you get is going to show up over here in your project folder. And since we learned about modules, you need to import modules sometimes, so we're going to use a module that's going to make this very easy for us. It's already built in, you don't have to do anything special. So just go import URL lib.request. Now we're going to create a function called download image. And we're going to give this an argument of URL. Now we have to set a file name that we want our image to be. So we'll put file name equals, and remember it needs to be a string. Oops, I forgot my colon right here. Don't forget the colon. Now this needs to be a string because it's going to want to save it using a string. So I have the quotes here, and I'm going to just name it download.jpg. Then I'm going to use our module URL lib.request.url retrieve. Now this URL retrieve takes two arguments. It wants the URL, so basically whatever URL we feed into here is what's going to load there, and then it's going to want a name to name the file. So we're going to put our file name right here. And then we can go download image, and then we'll put our URL in here, and because it's a string we want it in quotes. Now we're going to have to find an image, so I brought up here Pixabay, which has free images, because you don't just want to randomly download pictures from just anywhere. People could think that that's rude. It could go against their copyright or their privacy policy or terms of use. So we're just going to go here where there's free images, and I would encourage you to be careful with that. But all we got to do is right click on whichever image. We'll use this one here and click copy image. Copy image address, right like that. And we can take that link and just paste it right into our function, into our argument for our function. So then we just hit play. You'll see it says finished, and you'll see download.jpg, and when you double click on it, there it is. It downloaded it right into our project folder. Alright, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.